iPhone 13 is now officially coming to Indonesia. The smartphone has received a distribution permit from the Indonesian government, with 4 iPhone 13 models already carrying TKDN certificates and Postel permits. The domestic components level certificate for the iPhone 13 was issued by the Ministry of Industry last September. According to KompasTekno's monitoring on the TKDN website and the Ministry of Industry, there are 4 iPhone models that have received certificates. Namely, cell phones with model numbers A2628, A2633, A2638, and A2643. In order, the 4 model numbers are believed to be the iPhone 13 mini, iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro, and iPhone 13 Pro Max. All of the iPhones proposed by PT Apple Indonesia, as observed by KompasTekno, have each passed the certification test and compactly pocket the TKDN value of 30%. For information, the TKDN bakes at least 30% is one of the requirements for 4G phones as well as 5G to be marketed in Indonesia. In addition to the TKDN website of the Ministry of Industry, the 4 iPhone 13 models have also passed the Postel certification test of the Directorate General of Resources and Equipment for Post and Information Technology of the Ministry of Communications and Informations. Unlike the TKDN page, the Postel website clearly states that the 4 model numbers are indeed for the iPhone 13 mini, iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro, and iPhone 13 Pro Max. However, if you look at the sales of the iPhone 12 in Indonesia last year, the iPhone 13 is likely to be sold in December 2021, 2 months after it was launched in October 2021. The reason is that the iPhone 12 was launched globally in mid-October 2020 and officially sold in the country for 2 months later, namely in the mid-December 2020.